Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize a box for your gift. The first thing to do is you have to get the measurement for the length, the width, and also the height of the item. The material I am using now is a clay-coated board. It's 450 GSM, so it's a bit thick and sturdy, good for the box. And this should be the shape or the cutout of the material, and this is only for the base of the box. Here's the measurement, and this measurement is good for the size of the item that I have. It will be different if you have a bigger or smaller size of the gift or an item. But the cutout and the shape of the material for the base of the box should be the same of this. Only the size will be different. Next step, guys, is you have to score so that it will be easy for you to fold it in assembling the box. So now I'm done with scoring. Next is assembling. Here I am using a double-sided tape to lock the sides of the box so it won't open. Okay, so I'm done with the base. Here, I'm going to put a piece of board so that the color inside will be uniformed. It will be all white because the other side of the board is brown, so I want to make it all white inside. This one, guys, can be omitted. It's just that I'm doing it, or I'm going to use it because I just want to put something on top of the item so that it won't be too bare when you open the box. It will also serve as a decoration on top of the item, and I am putting it this way. If you want, you can also add ribbon on top of it. But for me, this is enough, so it should go like this. And now I will be doing the cover of the box. The material I am using is the same to the material of the base I have prepared earlier. But the dimension of this material is smaller than the base. Okay, now I am scoring because I'm already done with the cover. It's just simple, it's just like this. And now I am also going to use a double-sided tape in order to lock all the sides. Okay, I'm done with it. So this is now the cover. Okay, now I'm done with the box. Our gift has already have the box, and now this is our gift. Okay, and now I'm going to wrap it with the wrapping paper. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. For those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell button so that you will be notified for my next upload. I will be creating more boxes, or if you have any request, you can message on the comment box. Thank you guys!